Alright, so this is where you come in, where you park. Rental car is right there. And we're tucked into the corner over here. This right here is a 1-bedroom. And you can connect that to the studio right here. We know this because we've stayed here a lot. Let's see. Yep, it works. Alright. So here we are. And there's Danielle. So this room has the 2 queens. They do come in one queen with a pull-out sofa. Over at Vero Beach, where we just were, we had the queen with a sofa with the Murphy bed. So that was kind of cool. Gave us a lot of room for activities. And you have your little Hello Mickey, Hey Mickey gimmick. Your Alexa. I got a couple of USBs. You got 2 USBs, 2 plugs right here, some storage, and you got some storage over here. We're only here one night, so we're not going to be utilizing that. Got the Hello Welcome Home Vicario Party. Little seating area. I like that picture. And you got your little balcony over here. Let's check out the view from the balcony. Oh, it's so hot. Yeah, this is a nice view. And this room right here is the living room from the 1-bedroom next door. Yeah, I can sit out here and drink. Like that. And then this is the door. If you did get a 2-bedroom, this would open up and connect with the 1-bedroom next door. Here's a little kitchenette area. So you got a decent sized fridge, holds a lot of beer, trust me. And you got your garbage and some accoutrements here. Let me move my giant bag. Oh, you got your coffee maker. This is a real coffee maker. We had the Keurig in Vero Beach. We just left. All your coffee stuff, toaster, which I like. You got your microwave. Still giving us paper bowls and cutlery, plastic. Huh. Vero Beach, we just left. We had actual plates. All right. And then you have a closet here. Let me move this giant mouse bag. I got your normal stuff, clothes hangers, storage, your safe, and a vacuum, and a broom. Got an ironing board, normal stuff, and the bathroom. Like I said, we just left Vero Beach, so the Vero Beach Resort, I'll talk you through the mirror. The Vero Beach Resort, the room, the studio was definitely smaller in size. The bathroom is definitely smaller, different layout. So I definitely like the room at Old Key West. They're very, very similar. Layouts are very similar. You could tell they were kind of designed after each other. This being the first DVC resort. So here you have a lot of storage. Got your hair dryer. A lot of room here, which we need. And this will be going home with me. Got there. And your shower. I like the little porthole in here. There's no little light. Big tub. And of course you have your H2O body products. Some more soap down here. And your towels. So that's pretty much it for the deluxe studio at Old Key West. You know, we've been here before, so we're gonna be here quite a few times after this. So like again, this is one night. We're just hanging out here for one night. We just spent 4 or 5 nights over in Vero Beach, and then tomorrow we're actually switching over to Westgate. We're gonna try out a Westgate resort for a couple nights for a goof. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe, click the buttons, do all those cool things, help us out, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Oh, by the way, I got a really cool shirt. I just bought it. Feels really good. I love buying new Disney shirts every time I get here. So, take care, everybody. Hey, thanks everybody for tuning in. Please follow us on Facebook at the Wyles Syde. Also, for all your travel agent needs, please check out our travel agent page on Facebook, or you can email us directly at DanielleandBill@madhatteradv.com.